Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a college packing type of video. So today is Tuesday and I move on Thursday and I have not packed anything. My closet is still completely full because I just filmed like a closet tour. I've got no idea when that will be up. It'll probably be up maybe before this, I don't know. And then I did a photo shoot on my bed this morning in a pair of pajamas that I found and they were the cutest things ever. And then I had to take a thumbnail, and so now I'm going to the post office and I'm going to ship out the back to school giveaway prize or whatever. So that's where I'm going right now. And then I'm gonna get, and then I'm gonna get to packing. I've got a lot of stuff to do. Boy, what am I gonna do without you, huh? Look at your little tail wagging. Okay, so it is now 2:30 in the afternoon, and I was just planning on going to the post office, and then my mom texted me and was like, hey, Aunt Lee's going to the hair salon, and I had told her I needed stuff, and so she's like, okay, meet us there. So I met them there, and then my dad came and he was like, hey, let's all go get lunch. So we all went and got lunch, met some people there. So now it's just 2:30 and I have done nothing at all. So I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got. Okay, I'm cutting into where I'm opening up the packages because I totally forgot to say something. So I am currently about to be working with Brita Filters, and they're gonna be sending me my filter, but I had them send it to my college because they didn't know if it would get here in time. So if you guys would like to purchase a Brita filter, you can use my Amazon link, and it's like a competition to like whoever sells the most like gets this like prize, and I want to do a giveaway with it. So if you guys are wanting to buy a Brita filter, please use that link, or if you know anybody that wants to buy it, because I would really love to give back to you guys with it. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting about it a lot on my Instagram. I have the link down below, and definitely get one. If you're going to college, like, you need a Brita filter. Like, even I have to get one, even though I've got a full-size kitchen, because I don't have a fridge that does like water filtration, and that's important. And plus it just saves money because you're not buying a ton of water bottles all the time. And you can have cold water, so you can just stick it in the fridge. So I think it's really important. I think it's a major necessity, and I've had a lot of people tell me that. So please, 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 please use my link, and I will definitely do a really big giveaway if I win. So yeah, I just thought I'd say that. I'm just gonna fly through this stuff. So I got this shampoo and conditioner. It's the tea tree stuff. I got It's a 10+ keratin. I got a foundation brush. I got some hairspray. And then I got like another wet brush. I just got a ton of things like hair ties, bobby pins that I need for school. And that's everything that I got. So now I'm gonna change because I need to get out of this long sleeve shirt and I need to get to work. I'm going to be packing up all of this stuff that I already have. Like you guys know, I got a ton of stuff from the Container Store and just any decorations. It's all in my bonus room. And now I'm gonna put them in boxes and like organize it to where it's like everything fits as much as it can and it's like most space. I'm not making any sense. Okay, so like I said, I've got all of this stuff that I'm gonna try and fit in as like little boxes as possible. So I got these boxes and I'm just gonna play some Tetris for a little bit. I don't know, but I'm gonna jam out to some music and just get going. Okay, so my camera died, so I finished up packing and I'm kind of pretty much done with all the stuff in here. So now I've kind of moved on into my room a little bit, and I haven't really even started, but I did bring my hangers that I got in here, and I've got like some piles of clothes that I like know that I'm bringing. But yeah, this is about to be really hard. Like, I am not excited for it, but I have sweet Remy in here sitting with me. Yeah, I'm trying to soak up every second with him. Okay, so I have everything folded that I think I want to bring, but I'm like, do I really need this many jeans? And in my mind, I'm like, well, yes, of course you need that many jeans. And of course you need that many sweatshirts. I mean, you have to have 2 Salty Dog sweatshirts. And then leggings, that I don't have to justify that. And then I only have 4 pairs of shorts, workout tank tops. These are all my t-shirts, and they're literally all gray except for like this portion of it. I don't know if that's like too much. I don't know, but it's like better to have more than less, you know what I mean? I feel like I can drop a few pair of jeans. So I got everything to literally fit like perfect, and I even stuck my purse in there. But slight problem is that I have yet to put any of my bras or socks or anything. So I'm gonna be bringing a suitcase, and I think I'm gonna put all that kind of stuff in there with like my hair tools and shoes and all of that. But now it's time for the hanging clothes process, which I feel like it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna pull out everything that I would like to bring, and then I'm gonna hang it up on those other hangers, and then I'm gonna put them in trash bags so that way we can just hang it up, if that makes any sense. Just went through my closet, and this is all the clothing that I want to hang up. And tell me why it doesn't even look like I made a dent. Like, what? But I don't know, like, do I need nice clothing? Do I need comfy clothes? Like, I just don't know. So I just did a ton of like what, obviously I'm not gonna be dressing super nice to school every day because nobody does that in college, but I can still wear like casual t-shirts like this one that just like has a little something on it with a cardigan. Like, that is so my style. So I don't know, I'm gonna hang all of these clothes up and just see like how much it actually is, and then I'll kind of decide, okay, do I need this, do I not? Alright, so I've made a lot of progress. Those are my dresses, kind of some long sleeves, short sleeves, tank tops, long sleeve, kind of quarter length, cardigans. So now I'm just doing one last load of laundry, which is really hard because like I want to wear this shirt. Maybe I should put my pajamas on. Like, what do I wear tomorrow? I guess things I'm just not packing. So I'm going to change out of these clothes, wash them so I can have clothes, you know what I mean? Because I want to take these. And then, yeah, last load of wash at home. Alright, so I just organized all the clothes in like color order and sleeve length order, how I like to organize my clothes. That way we can literally just like hang it up. But I'm getting really stressed because I feel like I've got a lot of stuff. And I haven't even like packed up like any of my makeup or just like the little things, like all my camera equipment. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So I think I'm gonna start packing up that suitcase because I have to bring a suitcase anyway because like I'll be traveling. Like if I want to come home one weekend, I need to pack my stuff in something. So I think I'm gonna pack that right now with like shoes and bra and underwear, and then I don't know where I'm gonna put my hair tools or anything. Like, help. Okay, so I've been packing some shoes, and these will not fit. But I want them so bad. I got my pink ones in there. And then I've got slippers, my Vans, tennis shoes, a pair of flats, another pair of flats, some like kind of heels, some like other brown heels. I don't know. And I feel like I'm not even getting like the shoes that I need. I don't know. I'm going to have to relook. I'm talking to the camera. Oh. Kurt, you want to tell them what you did today?
So, I decided it'd be a good idea if I, you know, try to be Superman and jump off of a high little pallet at work.
And he has a reputation of breaking things because he jumps off of something not looking where he's jumping.
Okay, this is the 3rd time it's happened. Don't say it's a reputation.
Anyway, so I even packed all of my, this is just my underwear, socks, and bras because I have to have a lot of stuff.
For what?
For college.
Oh. Oh, why don't you just take it all? Oh, you can't take all that.
Oh, yeah, heck no. This is like what I think I'm going to pack. It doesn't even look like I made a dent in there, does it?
No, I honestly didn't even know where these came from.
Yeah, so. What?
You want to know what I take to college with me?
What?
I take my whole rack of shirts, my whole rack of shorts.
Kurt, you have 2 belongings. He literally like has no clothes.
Don't complain.
But that's personal choice right there. But now it's time to eat dinner, so I'm gonna go eat. Hey, sit, stay, stay. Get him, Ginger. Get him. So we're having burgers. It's just me, Dad, and Kurt tonight. Where did Mom go? Oh, it's second Tuesday. Oh, hi. Hello. You want my food? Yeah. Okay, so we just got done with dinner and I'm back upstairs. I think I'm gonna do my toenails because I just don't feel like packing right now. All right, so I finished my toenails and now I think I'm just gonna be done packing for the night. I've got to edit a lot of videos and there's really like, I don't know what else I can do. We're gonna pack up the car tomorrow, so that will be whenever I can really like get everything done. But I'll continue this tomorrow because it is my pack with me for college video. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. See, that's what I've got to listen to all the time is Kurt speaking in Spanish.
Hey, chill.
It is my last day and I'm really sad. So what time is it? It's currently like what, 11?
Yeah, 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. We came to take my mom's car to get her oil changed, which took a lot longer than we thought. It took like an hour. So
okay,
we got
good bonding time.
We got some donuts. I also took some cute pics in there. And right now we are gonna go head to the hospital to go say bye to my grandfather because I'm gonna have to say bye to him before I leave.
Should we swing by the yard first? Because it's right there.
Yeah, we might as well, I guess. Ugh.
We're gonna go to the junkyard, pick up some parts.
So we're gonna go to the yard, my dad's business, get some gasolina.
Yeah. Oh, see, you're not. Okay,
And
I'm not the only one that speaks Spanish.
That's a song.
Gasolina is a song.
Yeah.
Never heard that song before. Oh, okay. Person. Yeah. Check your blind spot before you get over. There you go. Look at that.
Anyway, so I have a few errands to run as well. I need to go to AC Moore to get some twinkle lights. I need to go to Old Navy to return some pajama pants that I thought I would like, but I just don't. And then, where else? Oh, I need to go to my Aunt Lee's house, the backpack girl, Abigail, her house, because Aunt Lee grabbed me some soaps from Bath & Body Works, so I gotta go pick them up. Oh yeah, she's the best.
And then we're gonna learn how to drive left-footed.
Yeah, and Kurt broke his foot, as you guys, I think I told him that yesterday.
I didn't break my foot, I tore my tendon.
Whatever. Kurt hurt his foot, so he's driving left-footed now. Yeah. But he's used to it because he's broken his right foot before, and he drove left-footed. I don't know if that's legal, but
it's legal.
It's legal. Okay, so a lot of errands to do, and I will see you guys when we are done with all of them.
That's like telling someone you can't write with your left hand.
I guess so. Okay, so I just got home from all of my errands and stuff, and now I'm about to clean my car. I have not cleaned my car since I got it, and I got it in like December, and I've never cleaned it, so this will be interesting. But now I'm just trying to turn on my speakers so I can jam out. Alright, so I finally finished my car. It's all nice and clean for the most part. I mean, I cleaned it as much as I could. So that's good. Now, doing my daily walk. Ew, what is that? Oh, it's a dead frog. Someone ran it over. I'm gonna go check the mail for the last time. Aw, I always take Remy with me. And usually Ginger, but she didn't want to come. So, it is currently like 2 something. So I've got to leave my house at 3 to meet up with the kids that I babysit, to say goodbye to them. I love them so much. Remy, come on. Okay, so it is now 5 o'clock. I totally forgot to vlog. So all I did was like do a few things here and there, and then I got ready. I like just put mascara on, put my hair up, and then I went to go say goodbye to the kids I babysit. I love them, and hopefully they'll watch this video. I don't really know. We're just gonna get to packing. My parents just cleaned out their car. I cleaned my car earlier, so we're gonna start putting stuff in there. And so now I just need to find like places for all these little things to go. Okay, so I just packed up a few little things, but we're gonna go get dinner now. Me, Kurt, and Mom are gonna go get dinner. Dad's gonna stay home and do a few things because we're running really behind. So we're trying to decide where we're gonna eat. And I really want to go to this Indian place, but nobody wants to drive that far because it is like maybe 20 minutes. I'm kind of sad about it. All right, so we decided on Japanese food. Me and Mom are splitting. The final supper. The last supper, whatever.
Yeah, last supper.
Yummy. So whenever we were kids, me and the boys used to climb that wall. But he's unable to anymore.
What'd you say?
What'd you say?
What'd you say, Mommy?
I was talking about how we used to climb that wall.
Oh, damn, I can't do climb that wall.
Yeah. So now it's time to grind and get to work. What are you doing?
It just kills me to drive.
I am putting that on the internet for everybody to see. You said it just kills me to drive with you.
The truth is, it kills me to drive with anybody.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we are home. It's time to pack and jam out to Taylor Swift. Hi, puppies! Hi!
All right. Okay. First box. Picking up. Come on, Jay.
Well, okay, this side's heavier than the other.
Okay, well, you better.
Because there's all pillows on. I'm not even kidding. I just broke my nail and that hurts so bad.
Oh,
look, I just cracked it.
I'm sorry. Joe, it's all your fault.
Pick it up.
I just broke my nail.
Okay, pick it up. Let's go. Come on, you're carrying.
I don't think I've ever felt like such a girl thing.
Wow, good for you, Jay.
Put it by the stairs.
It's all on the legs.
Why you got
It's all in the legs.
Put it. Like, you might as well go all the way down with it.
No, my finger really hurts. And he can be my jailer.
Hey, good job.
Thanks. Alrighty, got all the boxes down. Now we're loading up wood because Grant puts wood on his walls.
Nice looking.
It does look nice, but it takes up a lot of room. We got all that wood. I also have this, that, these 3 bags, and there's one more upstairs. I love this song. Cause when you're 15 and tells you they love you. Alright, so I've made a lot of progress. All I have is this suitcase, and then those bags I'm gonna bring with me, and then my backpack, and that is all of my camera stuff that I will put in that bag. And then the clothes that I'm wearing for tomorrow. And that's really it. This is for Emily, and this is stuff that I'm selling. And then I need to put this laundry away, and I need to give this back to Riley. But I feel like I'm all ready to go. I just need to put up a few little things that like I don't need. Like I need to put away this trash bag, and I need to just put those clothes up for whenever I come back. Will be nice and clean. So my trunk is full. And then my back seat is all full. And then I plan on putting those bags that I still have upstairs up front with me. And then I have my prized possession baby up here, my beautiful plant. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'm going to pick up with the vlog tomorrow all about the moving process because I'm pretty much all packed, which is crazy. I just have some cleaning to do. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Be sure to stay tuned for my moving vlog and for my dorm tour, and I will be throwing in other pre-filmed videos in there, so it's not all vlogs for you guys. I love you guys, and thank you for supporting me and coming along on this journey with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.